Okay. What's in there? What is it? What is it?
A winter coat. What a perfect dress for me.
It is? What? Don't throw your stuff over there. Oh, what is that?
A winter hat.
Lexi, you're going to get wax on it. What else do you see?
I see a shirt.
Okay.
And
Oh, gloves. Okay.
And look.
What is that?
Oh, it's just a skirt.
Okay.
And some clothes.
Did you like it?
And some pants.
Well, that's wonderful. Can you say thank you, Gigi Mama?